In this video, I'm going to show you how to add texture in Tinkercad. Now, there's a few ways to do this, but I'm going to show you the easiest one. Now, you could go and click on a specific object you have over here, and then go and basically add different holes on there and go and carve in a texture. That's completely possible. You can do that by dragging something like a box, maybe like a cylinder or sphere or whatever you want to use on here. And of course, whenever you do this, you'll be able to kind of modify these and change textures. So for example, if I want it to be over here, I'm gonna just click like this, and then I'm going to select both of these, and I'm gonna join them using this button up top. And as you can see, I started to get the texture, and you could just go and repeat this process. Now it's going to be a long process, of course, but you can do this, and that way, for example, create a texture just like this. Okay, so you can just keep on joining and keep on continuing with that. That's completely possible. You could do it like this, but that's going to take a bit of time, and that's going to be kind of a texture which is going to be visible everywhere. So maybe if you want it to be visible everywhere, that's going to be a good investment of your time. But if you simply want to like preview what this would look as a texture, you could go to the top right over here and click on this falling apple to open up the SimLab. And then from here, click on the object and you have the material option. Now click on material, and here you have different textures. So you have things like plastic, low friction plastic, concrete, ice, whatever. There's a bunch of different ones. Select the one that you want, and then from here you could also pick your own color, either from over here, or of course you could go down here and select if you want transparency on or off, or you could add a custom color as well from this color wheel over here. And then when you click out of here, as you can see, it's going to give you kind of a perspective on how this would look like as a texture. Okay, so those are all the ways, or the best ways to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.